Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So last time I have uploaded a video where I have shown you that how you can get follower list or email list or phone number from Instagram, but some of you comment there they are not able to get the email or phone number from that trick. So that's why I am making this video again to show you how you can get it. But before that, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group and share to get daily updates. Okay, so at first we come over to our Cloud Shell. If you didn't watch the previous video, make sure that you watch this to understand why I am here. Now when I come here to Cloud Shell, here we need to type ls and then hit enter, and after that we need to type cd space Instagram, and like previous what we did. Okay, then go for make setup and hit enter, and then here we need to type our Instagram username and password, and then press hit enter, and here we need to type again python 3 space main.py, and then press space, and here we need to give the target Instagram users username here, so from which account we are trying to get info, so we need to give it here and then press enter. Now here to save your file you need to type file equal y and then press hit enter. Now we are able to get all the text here, and then press list, and from here we need to get their followers list numbers or emails. You can just simply copy the code here, I mean the command, and give it here, just paste it and then press enter. Now here this is going to ask you that do you want all the list, but make sure that you don't do excessive. Okay, you can just type decent amount. So here I am just pressing n that I don't want all the list. Just for the demo purpose I can go with 10, 20, 50 or 100. Okay, so here for myself I just type 100 that I want 100 users list information from here. Then you can see here it's just getting all the list one by one. So let's pause the video and I'll come back after it done its job. So okay, now I come back again, and you can see that we got all the list here, like the username, the user ID, then the full name, and also the numbers. So how to get it? Just simply as we did it before in that previous video, go for the file and go for the Instagram folder and go and check the file in output folder, the same name, and copy all the text. And as you can see that we already shown you how you can use that file and separate all the lines in this video, so you can go and check out this video on my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's a short video. Have a great day. I hope you will like this. Thanks.